Alright, so we're back at it again with these 3157 balls on this 2007 Ford Focus. Let's go ahead and take this one fastener out, see if I can do this one-handed today. We'll try. Alright, this taillight comes out. That. Ta-da. Oh. Well. Alright. Pop these open. These bulbs, you can touch the glass, it's okay. They're not like headlight bulbs, you know. Get these out. And slide this in there. Just like that. Okay. And I don't have anybody here to test it. Can I do this? Probably. See what we can do. Hang on a second. Grab my keys. Car's locked. Alright. Go in here. Turn the key to the on position. Alright. We'll use our left turn signal. Good. Brake light bulb. Good. Parking light bulb. Brake light bulb. Good to go. Let's do it. So there you go. That was just a little way of testing your brake light bulbs if you can't back it up to a fence, you know, and or back it up to a wall and see if everything lights up. You can also do that. Let's go ahead and throw everything in place here. Slide. That's it. Then all we got to do is line them up, throw them in there. Oh yeah, I was telling you yesterday, I was telling you, but I discovered yesterday. And it's just little fasteners that crud. Ready to go. So it's just little fasteners that hold the taillight in place. And they're all interchangeable, they're all the same. And it's going to be some editing fun when I try to put this video together. No special tools needed. I mean, I needed special tools because my hands are not strong enough to turn these fasteners loose. You know? See, they're just little, like, knobs, you know? They even have, like, little winglets on them. See? If you really want to be lazy, you could just put two, like one on each corner. Before I put everything back. Now we just got to throw the panel back on. Always a good time for a little bit of YouTube productions, you know what I'm saying? Here, just so you know, this is the panel that covers the taillight. I didn't necessarily need to take the little screws out. It just kind of goes over the little fastener pieces there, and then it's got two screws of its own to hold it in place, and that's what those little things are. So let's put them back in there. Them first, and then that. Really want to be lazy, you could just take the screws and jam them in there. I mean, you want to make sure this is flush against the body too when you put it on. Now, one secret with these plastic fasteners that go into the plastic bases is when you're removing them, you don't want to press. You want it. Whoops. You don't want to press down onto the screw head with your screwdriver if you're trying to take them off. You just want to put the tip of the screwdriver on and just sort of turn it. You can loosen the screw without pushing it back in place because you're trying to do the opposite, unscrewing, right? You're not like ultra. See, you could even push the screws in place, but then if you do that, the next time you have to take these out, it's going to be a pain, and then you'll just be like ripping them out of place. Alright, so you have it. We've got our little knobs installed to hold the taillight, and we also got our little fasteners to hold this plastic garnish, and this garnish below here is also in place. Always time for a YouTube production. I'm gonna go ahead and test this taillight. Parking light on. Left turn signal. Right turn signal. Brake light. Brakes off. Headlights on. Headlights off. Golden, yo.